Okay, quick motor temp test. I think I just hit LVC, so let's see what we got. 139, that's Fahrenheit. 130, right at the back there, 138. So motor well within temperature. Let's check the caps on 100 degrees. Battery 95, so that's perfect. Yeah, no dramas with overheating here, but we are in winter, so it's not exactly hot. Pretty good. I'm happy with that. Okay, so after that first run, this is what my tires look like now. You can see this one here is really bad, and that was one battery pack. The front ones are fine, so I'll be swapping these and putting these on the rear. You pretty much need to really refrain from going sideways and trying to drift this thing, because you are going to mince these tires really quickly. This one's looking pretty bad. I can almost see the belt coming through there, almost. So they do get very sticky, but they also wear out quite quickly, so just keep that in mind. And yeah, if you're going to do some track work, or if you're going to slide around like what I just did, you're going to burn out your tires pretty quickly.